In the heart of Aligarh, where tradition meets technology, stands a name synonymous with security, trust and innovation. Jhaas Industries. Established in 1949, Jhaas Industries pioneered the manufacturing of security seals in India. From humble beginnings, we have grown into a globally recognized brand, proudly safeguarding assets across continents. Today, we proudly serve over 3,025 customers across 99 plus industries in 37 plus countries, maintaining a remarkable 75% customer retention rate and achieving a turnover of over 100 million rupees.
Primarily, Jhaas is more concerned on making sealing solutions rather than making seals, because seals are basically something which can be easily arranged with, but to make customer specific sealing solution is our core business or is our core idea.
Our product portfolio is diverse and reliable. Cable seals for high security cargo, plastic seals for everyday logistics, meter seals for utility applications, drum seals for industrial barrels, logistic seals to ensure transit integrity, and forest log marking hammers to mark with authenticity. Our facilities are powered by advanced technology, special purpose machines, CNCs, plastic injection molding units, aluminium profile cutting machines, laser marking machines and automated systems that ensure speed, safety and precision.
Jhaas is an organization with rich with a history of excellence and innovation. For more than 75 years, Jhaas has been working on the vision which is laid down with its promoter from day one, that is Vision Zero. Vision Zero, where you primarily mean zero stands for zero theft, zero pilferage, zero adulteration, zero any type of unlawful activities.
Each seal begins with an idea, a design. From production to laser marking machines, from stringent quality checks to careful packaging, and finally, secure dispatch.
वायर चेक करते हैं तो वायर की लेंथ चेक करनी पड़ती है हमको स्केल से, वायर का डाया चेक करना पड़ता है माइक्रोमीटर से, सील का हमको पूरा सेक्शन चेक करना पड़ता है वर्नियर से। हम ड्राइंग को देखते अपना सेक्शन चेक करते हैं बॉडी का, फिर उसकी रिपोर्ट हम फिल करते हैं असेंबली के लिए रेडी है या नहीं हमारी बॉडी।
सिक्योरिटी सील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में हमें जो भी दिक्कतें आती हैं, जो भी परेशानियां आती हैं, उसमें हम कुछ टेक्निकों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसे काइजन, क्वालिटी सर्किल, रूट कॉज निकालना, सिक्स सिग्मा यूज करके हम उन समस्याओं का समाधान करते हैं। ऐसा करने से हम अपनी कंपनी के विजन जीरो को अचीव कर पा रहे हैं।
Our seals secure the supply chains of national leaders and international giants. From India to Africa, from the Middle East to Europe, Jhaas Industries protects what matters. At the core of our success lies our R&D wing, constantly innovating, customizing and staying ahead of market needs.
हम अपने प्रोडक्ट को बेहतर बनाने के लिए समय के साथ साथ अपने यहाँ पे जैसे नई टेक्नोलॉजी की जो मशीन होती हैं, हम उन्हें यूज करते हैं, जिससे कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं वो एक अपना अलग सेफ लेते हैं, और जो रिजेक्शंस के जो टारगेट्स रहते हैं वो हमारे बहुत कम रहते हैं।
Women empowerment is in our ethics. We take pride in creating equal opportunities and celebrating the strength of women in our workforce.
At Jhaas, women are not just employees, they are leaders, innovators and key contributors in various departments. The management not only encourage but also celebrate women contributions across all levels, which help build confidence and motivation.
We believe in growing together. Our human resource development ensures continuous learning, skill enhancement and team bonding.
1995 में भाई साहब के पास आया, बाबूजी के पास बहुत मेहनत से काम किया है। बस जब से मैं आया हूँ पूरी बस जिम्मेदारी से काम किया और आज भी करता हूँ, अब भी करता रहूँगा।
सब आपस में मिलजुल कर काम करते हैं सर, एक दूसरे को कहा भाई ये काम ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे नहीं इसको ऐसे कर लो, कहीं गलतियाँ हो रही हो तो उसको बताओ कि इसको काम ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करना है तो उसको ऐसे कीजिए, तो सब ऐसे ही करते हैं मिलजुल के।
We offer abundant opportunities to youth and fresh talent who work alongside our experienced staff to drive a culture of collaboration and innovation.
Youth has new ideas, they have new potential, they are passionate and they are very eager to adapt new ideas and every new environment to work. So we don't just want to hire young people, We want to empower them. We want to provide them the tools to succeed and giving them space to innovate and lead.
Our future is green. With a focus on sustainable practices and smart manufacturing, we are ready for the next leap.
At Jhaaz Industries, we are deeply committed to sustainable practices that protect our environment for future generations. We ensure our operations prioritize energy efficiency, responsible sourcing, and eco-friendly manufacturing.
Jhaaz Industries, securing the world one seal at a time. Proudly made in India, proudly trusted worldwide.